boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Eminem in the house with a song called Business. Are there any Eminem fans out there? Maybe one, but then we're two because we like Eminem here. So this one, Business, comes from the Eminem Show album, and I believe it's track 3. I think so, yeah. Anyway, Business. So we're gonna look at two kind of melodies or licks there for the song, and we need to set our capo here on the 2nd fret. That is absolute the easiest way to handle this song, and it's just about one chord, you can say. It's the A minor. We have the A minor as a bass, and from there on we can go and do all these cool notes around this A minor. So what is A minor? That is the grip. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so that is the bass chord. So we have first this bass melody, we can say. It goes like this. Alright, that goes round and round if you choose to play it round and round, but you can also alternate it with the second top melody. I'm going to show you how to play that as well. But first, this bass melody, you're going to play like that first. So it's open A basically 2 times, but I like to hold the chord A minor, and with that you can also incorporate the D string and even the G if you wish. Sounds good when you hold a chord to just play a couple strings like that. So 2 downs on the bass strings, but don't forget the A. That is absolutely the most important string here to begin with. So open A 2 times, then comes a clap, then comes this part, so that will be 2nd on A, and then 2 times on 3rd A. Alright, so 2nd A, 3rd A, 3rd A. And when I say 2nd and 3rd A, you can also there incorporate more than just the A string. So here you can incorporate the A and D string. And the same goes there with the 3rd A 2 times. Incorporate the strings beneath, okay? And then comes a clap. And then you just end with 3rd E. And that is the bass melody, okay? So, to repeat this, open A 2 times, then clap, 2nd A, then 3rd A 2 times, then clap, and then 3rd E. That goes round and round. So slowly it will be like this. Like that. You could also, instead of playing the 2nd and last clap, play and go back to the 2nd A. Okay, so that will be, and instead of playing the clap now, you just go back and play the 2nd A, and of course finish off with the 3rd E. So a couple rounds with that way of playing will sound like this. Mix it up like that. All right, I like to have both 2 claps there, and that will be kind of a better rhythm for this, but you can switch it sometimes and bring in this extra note there because you actually hear it in the song. So that was the bass melody. Now let's look at the top melody. It goes like this. I'm gonna play it for you first so I understand what we're doing, and then I'm gonna show you how it's done. So it goes like this. That is 1 round, so cool to play, so I just took another round there. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this, and here you're gonna work with more on the top and bass strings. So you need to kind of work with some alternating there across the strings. So we'll again go from the A minor chord, that is the bass through the entire song here. So it starts with, that's the note there. And now keep in mind we are using the strumming technique. You could kind of play the notes clean as they are, but I prefer to play to the strumming to incorporate the strings around the note we try to hit. So when I play and say open E, that means play even the note you have from the B string. It's not dangerous, it works pretty well actually, it's even better. So keep the A minor as much as you can, work with the fingers around it and keep the bass here from A minor, and that makes it good to just strum strings around the actual note I'm gonna mention. All right, so keep that in mind. Now let's start. Open E string, then open A as a bass, then clap and open A. So that's the starts. Right, so then comes this part. That is open E, third B, first B, and then first E. Okay, so when I play that, I go from this first B to this first E. I just lean down my finger like this. I'm not using necessarily a switch there between the strings. I just lean it down to get back quick to this first B, which I'm gonna use pretty soon again. So that's a kind of convenient way of playing. So open E, third B, first B, lean down on first E, and then comes open E again, open A as a bass, clap, and open A as a bass. So we're gonna stop there and repeat this part. Start with open E, open A, clap, open A, open E, third B, first B, first E, open E, open A, clap, open A. So far. Then comes this part. So it's pretty similar there. Starts on opening again. Third B, first B, and now open E, and third B. And then open A, clap, open A. So to repeat this, open E, third B, first B, open E, third B, and then open A, clap, open A. All right, let's move on to this part. That is third B, first B, open B, first G, second G, and then open A, clap, open A. That's the bass there. So to repeat this, third B, first B, open B, first G, second G, open A, clap, open A. And then we have just as bridge notes to make it to a new round. It's open B, open A, first B, and open A. So you alternate the B and A there. So open B, open A, first B, open A. And that's it. This one is a little bit different and harder than the bass, but it's very, very cool. And it's pretty much the same patterns there. A little switch here and there, but once you get one pattern, it's not hard to get the other ones as well. I'm gonna play it slow for you one time, and then I'm gonna play a standard tempo for the second round. So let's go. Hard to play slow. I mentioned that many times here on Gordon Guitar, but that is really how you need to get the notes right and practice, and then you can speed up, and it will, with the logic there, be easier and easier, and finally it will sound something like this. Yeah. All right, so that covers Eminem's Business. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you would like to see Eminem come back here on Gordon Guitar, please leave a comment and we'll see what we can do about it. So yeah, hope to see you soon, and don't forget, like always, play tuned.